good morning, what's up, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This is officially the first video of 1st August that I am shooting. Okay, today is Saturday, but I am going to first upload this one vlog that I shot even before this vlog. I shot something day in my life, like after office or something like that, but I could not post it because who knows the answer wins the gift. I am lazy. Yes, you're right. So but wow, but there is no but actually. Every now and then, very often, I keep feeling that I should shoot more, I should be online more. I am trying to show up on the reels because that is quick shoot, quick edit, very catchy captions and stuff like that. But YouTube is a long form, so it's kind of a long work, to be honest. But and I love that there's always a but at the end of my sentence. So this is August, which happens to be my birthday month. Yeah, I love that. I love my birthday month. I was a crazy stupid idiot a few years back, and for the few years of my life, even right now I don't have stand to keep my mobile. I don't have camera. I mean, I have everything. I have mic, camera stand, everything, but that is now all over the place. So, and let's not go there. I was stupid and I made a lot of mistakes in my 23s, 4, 5, 6, 27, 28. Now, although the last birthday I celebrated was chef's kiss, this birthday also I am gonna be happy for myself. First of all, not keeping any expectations from anyone, that is first. And I genuinely believe, as you go to your 30s, you actually become the best version of yourself. And so what I was saying, yeah, as you grow older, you kind of have get the maturity, you kind of get the you grow. Basically, you grow, the maturity grows, the understanding grows, everything grows, you become wiser, and that's what I'm being. So along with, and I know it's gonna be a lot of a very big of a commitment, but I'm gonna try. I am going to do it this time, that I'm going to upload one video on YouTube every day and one reel on my Instagram every day. Also, if you don't know that, along with the Jhumkawali, which I changed the name of my Instagram, and I also have one ranting account which I'll post here. Here's Jhumkawali, here's my another account. Okay, and that is a weak independent girl, because I am done being independent and done being strong also. So let's be weak, whatever we are. For now, today is Saturday. I'm gonna get my bed done. I am right now in my living room. I have to do that also. I have to get done with that also. I have to clean the space, and then we're gonna see where we go from there. Like, let's just go with the flow. Clock it, guys. Before I get into making all of these things clean and start my day, which I should have started hours ago, I am not gonna beat myself over that. Anyway, we gonna put a very good music which is little upbeat, चटपटा, जो भी मुझे काम करने के लिए help करे. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know, but if you don't, let's go with mine for now. But please leave some suggestions. Okay, let's go. Music. I don't know, the first one popped up in my YouTube, I'm gonna go with it, but I do listen that song pretty much almost every day, so maybe that's the reason why it's one of my chatpata and favorite song. Let's go and vibe, you guys. am done making the bed. This little small arrangement here is for I use it like to keep my legs maybe, or to keep my books if I'm reading, or to keep my coloring book if I'm coloring, so something like that. Although ये जो मैं videos बना रही हूँ, I'm not gonna make it extra aesthetic because if you find my face aesthetic, then it is aesthetic. Otherwise you will see all the घर के चीज़ें, ठीक है, वहाँ पे मेरी चद्दर है जो सूख रही है because of lot of stupid weather conditions in Pune. I have cold, but at the same time I am very sweaty, so मेरा पंखा चालू है, but at the same time I have fever, so it's crazy all over again. So अगर periods आए तो I'm gonna eat ice cream. Yes, you're damn right, I'm gonna eat ice cream. But यार कपड़े सूख नहीं रहे, ठीक है, तो मैंने अंदर भी कपड़े सुखाए हैं बेडरूम में, and there's a lot of mess in the bedroom, so I'm not gonna go in the bedroom. Although I am intended आज या कल में जो भी सूखे कपड़े हैं that should be folded and gone into cupboard, because last week जब मेरी मम्मा आई थी she saw me not doing that. I'm just washing my clothes, putting it in the area in the tub, and then I'm using it from there. I'm missing the major step कि कपड़े सूखने के बाद उनको फोल्ड करके कबर्ड में जाने और वो कबर्ड से निकालने हैं. I'm just putting it in the tub, and tub से मैं पहन रही हूँ, which works very well for me, but apparently does not work for my mom. शायद मुझे लग रहा है कि मैंने जो पालक राइस बनाया है वो जल रहा है, so let's go, let me go and check that out. I also have to oil my hair. यार आज मुझे बाहर जाना था. I had very good plan chalked out for myself. आज शाम को I was supposed to meet a few of my friends, which is not happening apparently because there's some celebration in my area and I'll not be able to go. Guys, I don't want anything on my kitchen, okay? This is a bachelor's kitchen, this is a bachelor's life. Lot of things you'll see here which I use, I don't use. Lot of things, this is another shelf area, that is shelf area. It's easy for me to work around it. Yeah, so like no comments कि इतना गंदा क्यों रखा है, अच्छे से क्यों नहीं रखा. I have my mother for that. You don't have to do that with me, okay? You cannot see this, so it's like this. I am pretty sure कि ये जल चुका है अंदर से क्योंकि शायद मैंने पानी कम डाला था. Although my mom has told me कितना पानी डालना है. I am a stupid shit. I will never listen to her. Anyway, now that, have you guys met Stanley? Yeah, that is the palak rice. Why I'm saying palak rice? It could be spinach rice as well, but no, it has to be palak rice. Anyway, the Stanley is gonna help me now. Great. I don't have gas. I cook on induction. I find it very helpful. But let's see how this has come together. Okay. I'm gonna be hell lot of sad if it's not perfect. Let's do some plating, you guys, because I want to show how cool I am. Why this must have happened, I don't understand. Okay, I'm sorry, but this is pretty good. It has turned out pretty good. And whatever the salad I'll have with it, it's gonna taste good. I don't know why it was smelling like it's burned. Okay, wow, this is it. Now do we want to have test? Let's go and have test. I think this is pretty much where we all can see each other. Okay, this happens to be my palak rice. I wanted to do it a little different way, but बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं थी मेरे पास. I didn't have corn, I didn't have paneer, so we are doing the traditional way. I'm just gonna put a little dahi with it, just for sake of test, because dahi is little khatta, but that's how I love it. Okay, let's test it. It's hot, it's hot. It's hot. But it's good. It's good. Guys, it's good. Great. So now I'm gonna go have my lunch. Gonna have my water. And I'm gonna see you. Bye.